Yeah, tell us what we're doing.
Oh, we're changing the motor. RSX.
The car that you tried to hide from the channel. You know, I've been editing some footage of that.
You never got the footage.
Oh, I have some footage.
I didn't let cameras go near that.
Yeah, about that.
Hey, I'm suing. I didn't sign a release.
There's no release here. So what's this out of?
An RSX.
What year?
No, too.
With only
50,000 miles.
I find that hard to believe. How many miles are on yours?
Mine's like 230 something miles.
And this is an 02.
But if they get them out, well, it goes from 02 to 06, but they get them out of Japan. So they cut them all out. Yeah, okay, fuck it. It has a 90-day warranty. I'm gonna beat the shit out of it for 30 days. If it fucking works, we're good.
I know, I'm with you, and it looks clean, but I have a hard time believing it's an 02.
I don't know.
With 50,000 miles.
What do you want from me? I don't know what you want.
This dude told you 50,000 miles, huh?
Well, all of their stuff comes in under 50,000 miles. That's on their website, everything. Everything they get is under 50,000 miles.
That sounds like a freaking pyramid scheme.
Oh, it's probably definitely. It came from Japan. For sure. You know how they get them? They have a shipping container.
Yeah, full of
motors.
Them. Yeah.
They can't import it in. They only pay it for the weight.
Yeah.
And one day engine swap. I think we pull off. I've seen you do crazy shit.
You're such an asshole.
Huh?
You're such an asshole.
Why?
You just jinxed the whole thing. One day engine swap, he says.
Okay, maybe not one day, but
Whatever.
at least setting the other one in there.
I've already jinxed the shit out of it now. I don't know who did it.
Right. Doesn't sound normal.
I was about to leave you to eat dinner. Because, surprise, surprise,
We are.
you showed up at dinner time.
Oh shit, you're right. Now I have no control over that this time.
Easy on the driveway, bruh. I have to. I don't know if I got a chain big enough to go over those.
What about a strap?
I mean, yeah, strap's always an option, but what are you gonna hook the strap to?
The hook?
And
I got nothing.
yeah, that's where my point was with that.
Hey, you found another nut?
Yeah, I have another nut.
You see another nut? I think I got some. You know what it is.
Do tell.
I just took that apart, so I have a chain on each end, and then we just hook something through it and do both chains.
I'm interested to hear your something theory.
Yeah, I got something.
Because like most of your plans, it's short-sighted.
It's very short-sighted. It's from getting to here to there.
Yeah, but then there becomes a problem. Okay. Open up the tailgate.
Drop the tailgate. This is where
Here you go. Alright. There's a drip pad right behind you, Cranberry. What's wrong?
not broken.
What now? Oh yeah, the motor's broken.
It's not the motor.
Not the transmission's broken. That screw's ripped right out of it.
But I think it's just the mount. It is a mount. Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, what else is to be? That's a motor you just paid $800 for with a broken tranny. Did they have another one that wasn't broken?
Yeah, they have most of them.
You know what I mean? Because what exactly is that?
I don't know.
Is that just for the trans? Or for, oh, it's, the whole thing's broken.
Yeah, it's just a cover.
Right, it's a cover, and I got one on mine.
Hopefully.
I have one on mine.
That's where the shifter goes in.
Yeah, and it's a bracket, so it's a bracket. Yeah.
Other than the fact that the shifter covers.
Oh, it's a guard. Yeah, it's a guard.
It's a guard for your shifters.
For the shifter, but I have one on my
But
own.
now your bracket for your shifter's all bent too.
Well, yeah, this won't. You can't bolt the other one off because it's broken
Oh,
right
come on, down there. Oh, that part?
there. Yeah, that's the transmission part.
The part where the screw goes into, there's no threads to screw that one screw.
Is this aluminum?
Yes.
Fuck.
But, one, it says one screw out of three of them.
Shade tree leading the shadier tree. Whatever.
It is what it is.
Just, JD weld the shit out of the.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Hey.
If you just glob JD weld on there, you can
Alright.
drill it and tap it and put the new bolt in.
No, I'm going to YouTube. Shade tree fucks talking about the dumb shit you're gonna do to this poor motor. I would, if I were you to, take that cover off and make sure nothing else is broken behind it before you go on with this.
Straight out there?
Yeah.
It's not like it's a $40,000 car.
It's not like it's, yeah, $40,000 car. I mean,
True. It's one bolt, and there's 4 other bolts in that cover. Right.
So how did how did it look when you pulled the cover off?
we didn't pull cover on, but we could see it. It's just a cover for the cable itself. Chip on it. It's fine. It's not bent. Not bent.
You there? Just speak right into here and tell me how it's not going to be a problem.
It's not gonna be a problem.
No, tell me exactly what's not going to be a problem.
The shift linkage is not gonna be a problem.
And that broken piece,
Broke pieces. It's gonna be okay.
it won't be a problem.
It won't be a problem.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it off the other motor.
All right, cool.
And then we're gonna JB weld it. It's gonna be awesome. And he's gonna delete all of this right now because it's gonna
No,
work.
because either way, it's going to be funny.
I drain all the fluids.
You should take the drive shafts out of the engine.
I do. I just broke them loose so I can pull them out. But when I pull them out, they're gonna leak. So lower it down, pull them out. This one's not, but the other one is.
We're dropping this on the bottom, right?
No. Pull it right up top.
Out the top?
That's why I'm undoing all my mounts and shit like that. From the bottom. I just grab these 2 fronts. And then drop back down, unplug everything. Pull it up.
Yeah, I think you were coming back. I was going to take that.
No, fuck that. No, I gotta get this done. This gotta be up on Monday, because I don't know how long the truck is gonna last, something like that. Oh man, when I left, dude, somebody stopped me up in the intersection when I left yesterday. And it was flashing lights. Said, "Hey, you know the truck is like smoking." Like I look in the mirror, all the way down the street, just a big old thing of smoke. And I'm like, "Oh yeah, she's burning off." Okay, and I got back on it. Then I started seeing fire trucks running past me. I was like, somebody probably thought the field was on fire. I was like, oh my god, this is so fucking up. I was like, I gotta get this motor done. Pull it straight out. I'll bring it back up on the middle.
I was going to have to go up and down 3 times.
Why?
Because you feel all stuck, you forgot the first 2 times.
I'm not gonna forget. That's why it's up in the air still. This is what I'm doing.
It's not being a jerk. I've done this before, but I've watched you do it before.
You've never seen me pull a motor?
Really?
What motor? I don't remember pulling a motor.
I'm gonna let you remember. We got the motor out, and then you sold me the car.
That doesn't count.
So counts.
Does not count. You wanted it.
Literally
You
a
motor.
motor. It was literally you just said I've never seen you pull a motor before.
That doesn't count. Because I didn't really pull that motor. Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Not really. Because we got it halfway out, and then we sold the car to you. So it never really came out.
You guys finished getting it out when I went to go pick up Colin.
Right, but you had already agreed to buy it.
It was still you pulling it. I don't see what that has to do with the fact that I have seen you pull an engine before.
Okay, whatever, fine. What do you need to say?
100% you're full of shit.
Nah, I need your help.
It'll be a Christmas miracle if this thing runs again.
Stop! Don't be negative. You know why? 'Cause everything I pulled the motor out of, I never fucking get back together. So this is the one that I have a fair shot at getting it back together.
What's that?
I don't know.
Why is it telling you to break my new rule?
The Bluetooth can't break. Not like that, it can't. God, it ain't got no torque though.
55 foot-pounds.
Apparently. I hate when you're right, Brian.
What about this time?
I have a feeling that I am going to be lifting this up and down, up and down, up and down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Definitely.
I just don't know why you don't listen to me. After all of these years,
I just don't know why.
and right, I'm always
I
right.
don't understand why you just don't listen to me.
I just don't get it. So here's the deal. I have never seen the Lucy Boys pull one of these from the top.
You can pull them top. I watched all on YouTube. You can pull them top. You got to pull a battery in
I'm saying, the
the
only people I've ever seen pull a Honda motor is the Lucy Boys.
Right, but if you go
And they drop it from the bottom every time.
Because they drop the whole entire subframe.
Yeah.
Which I don't need to drop the whole subframe.
I'm just telling you.
Yeah, I'm pulling from the top. Alright. I watched the guy do it in YouTube in 15 minutes. YouTube. I hear you laughing over
I'm still trying to figure out how to bring it up the top.
Dude, it's not hard at all. The whole thing. Once you take all the battery box out and everything like that, it literally picks up out the top. I already undid the mounts on the bottom. Do the top mounts for it's 4 mounts, that's it. And I already did 2 of them.
You know, if you disconnected the brake lines, it's 4 bolts and the whole thing comes up the bottom.
Well, I can't. I gotta do shifter and all that shit. But then all the wire harness, all that shit.
Well, either way, it's the same thing you gotta do with both sides.
No, it's 4 bolts on the bottom, 4 bolts on the top. Same shit.
More 4 bolts.
The mount bolts right there. It's one big ass bolt on the left side and another one on the train. You pick up.